In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan documents on your Android phone. Now, this is quite easy to do, and most people don't know they have it installed already on their Android phone. And what you want to do is search for Drive. Open Google Drive, and once Google Drive is opened, you see the camera icon in this section, and then when you're ready, tap on the camera icon here. Position the frame, and then allow Drive to automatically capture the documents. Now, while capturing, when you tap on manual, this will automatically frame but not capture until you tap the capture button. Once the scan is complete, you have your document preview. To add more pages, if you want to scan more documents, you can simply tap on the plus icon in this section and then position your image till the scan is complete. You get more pages added. If you want the raw photograph which is taken, you can simply tap on this and this will disable the effect. Tap on it if you want it to be document style. You have several features here such as crop and rotate, which when you tap on this, you'll be able to use the auto crop, which is what you're currently seeing. No crop if you don't want it to be cropped, and then rotate if you want to rotate the image. While still here, you can simply drag on any of the 4 pins in any section and adjust till the document is properly captured. Once you're done, tap on apply and this effect will be added to that page. You can also do this for other pages. You have the filter section here. You can use the auto filter, color, grayscale, black and white, and shadows. Once you're done adding any effects you want, you can tap on apply to all if you want to apply it to all the pages, or apply if you just want it to apply to the current page. You also find clean in this section, which allows you to use the eraser by simply tapping on any section here to adjust the size of the eraser on the screen, and you use it to erase anything you want on your PDF. You can reset, you can undo and redo any changes you've done. Simply tap on apply and this will save. If you're not satisfied with the particular outlook of an image, you can simply tap on retake in this section and this will allow you retake for that particular page, meaning it will add it to that page. If you're in page 1, it's going to add it for page 1 and page 2 will be added for page 2. You'll be able to delete any page if you do not want to add it to the document. Once you're satisfied with the look, tap on done and this will take you to upload it to your Google Drive account. It will be sent as a PDF document. You can rename in this section. You can choose the format, which is PDF or JPEG if you want it to be in image format. And then here you can select a Google account. You can tap in this section if it isn't that Google account and select the account here. In the location section, you can tap here and then you can select any folder or location you want it to be saved to. You can tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new folder if you want it to be saved to a new folder. Once you're done, tap on create, tap on select, and then tap on upload. Once the document is uploaded, you find them in their correct folder or location. You can tap on the 3 dots on the document and you see download in this section. Tap on download and this will download the PDF to your phone for use. You can tap on the 3 dots here. You see the option to share and many more. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.